Welcome to Kids Ready Show. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rose. S for ship. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. If you like the video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe. How's the video? Thanks for watching.